Jerry here. Before we get right into the video, I want to make sure you guys go straight to my YouTube homepage, click subscribe, then click on the little white bell right next to subscribe, which will notify you whenever I post a new YouTube video. And don't forget to like. I hope she's okay. Hey, what is up, guys? It's Kinjir. Oh my god, Kinjir, who is this? And well, as you can see, I'm walking on the train tracks right now, which is, well, it's really far. It's really not that safe, to be honest. I'm being 100% honest with you. It's not safe. I mean, like, unless the train comes, I mean. But the train already went by earlier, so I mean, but I think this will be a good spot to take a picture. What do you think?
Yeah.
I think it's a good spot. Usually people take pictures on the train tracks. So, I don't know, maybe I might take a picture here. Are you okay?
Can you get up?
Yeah. Hand it to me. Oh crap. Thanks. Look at you. You looking all cute. Guys, do you see that? That's a fucking train. I swear to God. I swear to God. No, we won't have time.
What?
We won't have time.
Come on, let's run.
No, I'm going down here. Fuck that. That's... No. Oh! I'm going down here. Come down here. No, I'd rather... No, I'm good here. Come down here. We'll be okay down here.
Wait, how do I get up?
Hurry. Oh crap.
Do you think the train was heading out here?
Yeah, it's huge. Wait. I'm gonna go deeper into the forest probably. Come on, come on. Just get down. Debris will fly across.
The what?
Debris, rocks could probably fly across and hit us. Just get as far down as you possibly can.
Is this good?
I don't know, Tanya. I'm going down in the woods, bro. I'm not trying to get debris hit on me. I hope she's okay. Dang, that thing was small. That was small. Dude. Wait.
How are you not to get up?
Wait, hang on. I don't know either. Oh, you don't know if you can get up? Huh? No, we're good. You alright?
I was so scared.
I know you looked scared. I was like, I didn't know what was gonna happen when the train came across here. Cause I was like, go as far down as you possibly can. Cause like I didn't know if the
That looked like poison ivy, so I hope I didn't got there.
Tanya,
Huh?
You shouldn't, poison ivy used to be the last thing you should care about, okay? Like, you could have literally died, okay?
Okay. could?
Yes, you could. What do you mean you could? If you were on the tracks when that train came, you would have been dead.
I was like right here. I thought I was facing my head this way. I didn't know what.
Oh my god.
Come on, let's hurry up.
Alright guys, well, we're gonna go and freaking get off these tracks before we get actually hit by a train.
Yeah,
wait, say that again? You said you saw a light and you said it was probably nothing?
Yeah.
Really? Okay, so you see a light at the end of the tracks and you just assume, oh, it's nothing, right?
Yeah, I was like, oh, it's not until I really saw it. And then I was like, and I was like, we should hurry up and go. And then I thought about it, and I was like, yeah, we're not going.
Oh my god. It's okay, the last train that went by, I saw lights. So of course the second train that comes by is going to have lights. So, like, you're lucky I saved you.
It wasn't bright.
Okay, first off, your decision was, oh, let's run all the way down the tracks and beat the train and try to go that way.
You said you can run fast.
Tanya, but Tanya, the trains are faster than they look. Even though it looked like it was going slow, we would not have had time to run.
At least made it right here.
Still, there was a gap down there into the forest. I would have just ran straight into the forest. You know, my dad was almost hit by a train too once.
What?
Yeah, he used to walk on the tracks just like that, just like we're doing right now. Except he jumped in the bushes with somebody, and it was a bushes of thorns. And he was like really close to get hit by a train, like closer than us. So.
But the train stops right here. They don't go over.
What are you talking about?
Like
the train's.
As big as this.
You said it stops?
Yeah, like stops right here.
I
won't go over.
I guess. I guess. So it's the next day. My mom got a lot of these. I love these, man. Oh my god, these actually taste good. I thought these actually taste like Anshore, but I don't know. I don't think so anymore. I think they just taste. It just tastes good. It tastes delicious. Hey, so my dad just gave me. Wait. So how many did you eat again? You said. Oh yeah, you said you ate 4.
About 4 or 5.
Okay, so yeah, so I have a bag of ghost chips. Yeah. Okay, wait, let me see. Yeah, so this is a bag of ghost chips right here. And I'm gonna try it out for the first time.
Ghost peppers.
Or ghost peppers. Ghost peppers, is that it?
Ghost pepper chips.
Ghost pepper chips. Okay. So I'm gonna try it out for the first time. Okay guys, so I decided to go, what the heck? Anyway, I decided to go in the basement because I think I'll get like better, just be better. I changed my location, so I'm gonna eat those ghost pepper chips and see if they're actually as bad as they said they were. Okay, so here's the ghost pepper chips. I'm gonna be trying this out. My parents, they said it was bad. This is like half a bag of ghost pepper chips. So, I mean, it's couldn't be that bad. It's about half a bag. I would think. Haunted ghost pepper. It's saying something on here, guys, if you want to read that. See? So you guys can pause the video and read that if you want. But, haunted ghost pepper, light crispy, freaking hot. Witness haunted ghost pepper. Warning, the content of this bag are extremely frightening. Not responsible for any injuries that may result from ingesting this delicious terror. The use of gloves and safety goggles encourage common side effects, including addiction to burning or pain, blurred vision, and unquenchable thirst. Enjoy the caution and consider yourself warned. Okay, guys, so there's a little bit in here. It's about half a bag. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat these. Let me put my put my sleeves up, guys. And let's just get right started. So oh wow. Yeah, it's hot. Ooh. Wow. Yeah. It's all right. It's like stinging. It says it's addictive, so I don't know. It's definitely hot. Ooh. Oh, oh. Guys, as I keep going, it gets worse. Oh. Oh, that's my tongue. My tongue, I can't. My tongue is burning. My chest around here is like heating up. It's just getting hotter. I'm gonna keep going for you guys. I think my eyes are starting. My eyes are starting to water. Woo! Woo! Guys, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Come on, come on. I'm almost done. It's hot. No. Ow, 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 ow. Guys, this is hot. It's like stinging so bad. It's really stinging. Now, I can still talk. Oh my God. I can still talk a little bit. Woo. But it's nowhere near as hot as the actual ghost pepper. But this is freaking hot. No doubt about it, it is hot. It is definitely hot. It is, my chest is so hot. Okay, this is starting to get dangerous. This is legit starting to get dangerous because it keeps getting hotter and hotter. I feel like I'm about to. That's it. That's it, guys. Guys. I can't eat. I'm gonna drink some water and come back. Okay guys, a little update. Eating those chips, do not do that. It's like running a track race, but you never stop. Like, so for example, if I was to keep eating that, it's like me running, but like never taking a break. That's literally what it is. And my stomach is starting to hurt a little bit. I think that was kind of stupid. That was really I didn't think it was gonna be that. As you can see, I'm eating ice cream now. Helps a lot. I feel a lot better. And I'm probably gonna be eating this for a while. So, yeah. So, anyway guys, thanks for watching. And, sorry. My name is Kinjir, and I will see you guys when I see you guys.